Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
Over the years, HAL has gained significant achievement and expertise in developing of helicopters for multiple roles. Starting with the licensed production of Cheetah and Chetak in 1960s, HAL has transformed itself to indigenously develop utility and combat helicopters such as ALH Dhruv, ALH Rudra, LCH, LUH, and now working on Indian multi-role helicopter or IMRH, which is going to be a twin-engine, multi-role, multi-mission helicopter in 13-ton class of medium-lift helicopter. It is designed to replace the Mi-17 helicopters of Indian Air Force and will be better in many aspects than Mi-17 V5. Indian Air Force, Army and Navy have requirement of 200, 100 and 14 IMRH helicopters respectively. The total numbers of medium-lift helicopters required by our armed forces is going to be 314 with an estimated cost of $20 billion. Additional 11 billion would be needed in MRO phase. The IMRH is being designed to perform versatile roles and operation, which include support air assault, air transport, VIP transport, combat logistics, for example, troop transport, combat search and rescue, and casualty evacuation operations. Its design and features have been developed on par with the 5 current heavy class rotorcraft, which includes Airbus H225M, Leonardo AW101, Russian Mi-17, NH Industries NH90 and Sukhoi S-92. This helicopter is going to be best in class of utility helicopters with combat capabilities which can provide enough firepower and support when needed. This platform can further be enhanced to build Apache class combat helicopters. HAL has carried out the preliminary design studies of IMRH based on operational requirements of the tri-services. Back in December last year, the Chief of Air Staff said that the operational requirements are under finalization. The naval variant of IMRH is going to be bigger than that of Army and Air Force, and its design is expected to be frozen by end of this year. The naval variant will have greater range, higher payload capacity, and furnishings for maritime operations. In the latest interview with Vayuaerospace, Chief of Naval Staff said that Navy will support IMRH program with requirement of 19 naval special operations and 41 multi-role helicopters. HAL has proposed 3 separate variants for IMRH, which are first special operations, second anti-surface warfare, and third anti-submarine warfare. Now, Navy has requested for fresh PPR for development of a common multi-role helicopter with both ASW and ASuW, that is anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface warfare capability. HAL would be submitting a fresh PPR by end of this year to meet Indian Navy's requirement of common ASW and ASuW platform. Now, talking about the development timeline, the digital design and the wind tunnel test of helicopter and its component is complete. The scaled model test of helicopter have been ongoing as of 2021. HAL has planned the structural test of the unarmed version of IMRH in 2023, followed by its first flight in 2024. The armed version of IMRH will undergo the structural testing by 2025-2026. HAL has planned to produce 6 flying prototypes for trials before starting production. IMRH is expected to enter production by 2028 or 29. The helicopter will be developed in collaboration with private players with minimum 50% indigenous component. The IMRH is to be equipped with a small cockpit, composite and modular airframe, crash-worthy tricycle landing gear, 4-axis automatic flight control system, state-of-art mission systems and advanced avionics system. The main frame of IMRH will be mostly built up of composite materials, keeping it light and stealthy in design. The airframe has been designed in modular fashion, which will aid in faster production and assembly of the helicopter. The IMRH cockpit will have a full glass smart cockpit with AI enabled and wide area multifunctional display. The IMRH will have 5 foldable blades in main rotor made up of composite material. The tail will have 4 rotor blades. Talking about its dimension, IMRH is going to be 25.16 meter long with a height of 2.41 meter and width of 4.74 meter. The helicopter will feature twin engine with dual channel FADEC with 2000 kilowatt power. Russia has offered its VK2500 PS3 engines, which is also powering Mi-17 V5. The American company GE has also offered its CT-78 turboshaft engine, powering helicopters like Augusta Westland's AW101 and AW189 and Sukhoi S-92 and S-70. HAL is also in discussion with Safran for joint development and manufacturing of IMRH engine under strategic partnership model. The IMRH will also have an APU with battery for redundancy in case of engine failure. The IMRH is designed to operate in extreme weather conditions in high altitudes. It will have service ceiling of 6.5 kilometers, range of 800 kilometers and endurance of 3 hours with a payload of 4000 kg and maximum cruise speed of 270 kilometers per hour. The IMRH will have 4 hardpoints where it can carry 4 anti-tank guided missiles, and each hardpoint can carry a payload of up to 300 kilograms. It can also carry 500 kilograms of payload on the hardpoints near fuselage. In total, it will have weapon payload capacity of 1600 kgs and overall payload capacity of 4000 kgs. At an altitude of 4.5 kilometers, it can carry payload of 1000 kilograms, which will be best in its class. It will also be equipped with electronic warfare suite and self-protection jammer. It will be the most spacious helicopter in its category with troop carrying capacity of 24 to 36.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comments section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.